So I was thinking of throwing all these old clips away, like they don't come in use anymore and they are quite too boring to wear, and everything has come out and too boring. So you guys don't think like this. If you are thinking of throwing all your old clips away, so this video especially for you. You can make your own personalized clips and this is very good. The materials you will need are scissors, fabric glue, hot glue gun or any glue you have, some clips, ribbon you will need for the first DIY, and this fabric glue costs only 15 rupees, and you can also use your own hot glue gun or any glue that you have, any colored papers and foam sheets. Here I've used glitter foam sheets which only costs hardly 10 to 15 rupees, and so for this only you need ribbon only for the first DIY clip. So here's a look how it will it will appear to be. So I had already made these clips, so I will quickly tell you how to make this, but because I can't show you all, so all you need is a ribbon. Here I have taken blue color because it was matching with my dress. So you can take a clip and a ribbon and some stones. It's totally optional. If you want you can use, or if you don't use. Then take two bows out of the ribbon and stick. The ribbons may differ in size, like the top one should be smaller than the above one, and you will stick it with the help of a fabric glue, and you have to just take it with a cute looking stick, any pearl you have or anything that.
Everybody hurts sometimes, everybody hurts someday.
So for the second one you will need some glitter foam sheets. Here I have taken yellow. I had already used a bit of it, and so I'll take two strips of it. So there is no measurement again. You take according to your size of the clip you have or according to your wish. You can use colored papers also. There is no need of using those glitter foam sheet, but it looks nice, so I am using this glitter foam sheet. And you just have to cut two strips and paste it along that. So I'll show you how to do it. Like, it's similar with the one which we made before, the ribbon one. So this is just with the foam and that is with the ribbon. So it looks really amazing. You will get to see how they look later in the video. So if you are watching this video, don't skip this video at all. So make a bow out of it like this, and you can stick it obviously with your own glue that you have. No need of buying any other glue in this lockdown.
To the ones that we got, cheers to the wish you were here but you're not, 'cause the drinks bring back all the memories of everything we've been through.
So first you have to measure what is the size of your clip. So if it is not suitable to the size of your clip, you just cut it according to your size. Like here is the measurement I am taking, like it was too big for that, so I am doing like this. So it's really it won't tear apart, and it is really stretchy also. This foam sheet would last very long.
Toast to the ones here today, toast to the ones that we lost on the way, 'cause the drinks bring back all the memories, and the memories bring back you.
So next cut a strip of paper and then stick it on the clip. So you don't need to cut a big strip of paper, and you just need a small piece of it. And as you can see, so it was not that strong, it was coming out. So it's better you use your own glue. So I had to press it very hard, and I had a hard time on that. So now stick it with glue. Here I am taking a clip to secure it and leaving it to dry off for a few minutes, because it is taking time to dry, as it is not that strong glue. Again, I use this glue like for showing. If you have this glue, you can use it, because people usually show only one way to do this way. So I am showing you two ways on how to do it. You can use your own hot glue gun also. So I'll show you how to do it. Like, you have to take hot glue gun. Instead of that, you can use it and take that bow and stick it on the surface of the clip. So you need actually a strong glue for sticking it on the surface of the clip, because it may come out.
Bring back you.
Now I'm going to make the third clip. So for the third one, you will need again a paper. So here I am using the glitter foam sheet, and here I am using the red color of it because it may come out and it won't look that good if you are using the normal color paper. So here I am using this glitter foam sheet, which is very adorable and beautiful, and I have already used some part of it because for making some more DIYs. And yeah, so ignore that part of it. So you probably have to make small hearts out of it. So for this DIY, the third DIY, I will use both foam sheets and the color sheets. I'll tell you the reason basically why. So you have to make hearts like this. You can see here I am making hearts, and cut it out carefully with scissors, and be very careful while you are cutting this out, and make sure you don't end up cutting your own fingers. So be very sure, be very careful. So make a small heart out of that, and I'll quickly show you how to cut it properly. Here is how I did it, and it turned out very beautiful heart. And if you want to shape it some more, so you have to take it like this. So as you can see here, it looks very ugly for the first time. And if you have the covering coming out of the clip, so first paint it. I didn't include it in my materials list because it is just optional if you want to. Now take this red paper and trace a bigger heart like what we traced before. Trace a bigger heart. Now I am taking a measurement, like I need to cut a bigger heart, so I need to take the smaller one and cut it out. So you also do like this. So now our clips are ready, so I'll show you some shots of it. So hope you all like it. Let's begin.
Could pretend I didn't need ya, but every touch is your love, it's true love. Ooh, I should be running. Ooh, you keep me coming for you.
Out in Miami, the air was hot from summer rain, switching free of me before I even knew.
So hope you all guys like this video. If you all do, then please let me know in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Click the bell icon for further updates, and give this video a big thumbs up and share it with all your friends. This easy and cute looking clips. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.